Full rock harvest. We have our 1 inch thick ones over here. That's our 2.5 inch over here. And we got our big 3 inch ones over here. So all in all, really not bad for 20 minutes of carrying rocks back and forth. So I'm gonna take a little break in a minute, but I'll show you what we got done so far. I have the back wall up. This is what happens when you run out of cordage. You need to temporarily put something up. Yeah, I know. Totally not cool. But I get some more cheap cordage. But all that really matters is that I'm enjoying myself. I mean, look at this. How can you not love it? Gotta love the woods. It is beautiful. Later, guys.